Britain launched a secret spy satellite in 1974 that the public never knew existed. December 1974. Britain launches 007 First Light, a classified spy satellite, into orbit above the Soviet Union. For 50 years, the mission remained scrubbed from public record. On December 21, 1974, a Thor Burner 2A rocket lifts off from Vandenberg Air Force Base, California. The payload, a 141-kilogram British satellite, designated 007 First Light. Official mission logs list it as a technology demonstration for the Royal Aircraft Establishment. The satellite carries two infrared sensors built by Hawker Siddeley Dynamics, ostensibly to test heat detection from orbit. No press coverage, no public announcement. The launch manifest registers it under a generic research designation. Within 72 hours, the satellite is transmitting data directly to RAF Oakhanger in Hampshire via encrypted downlink. The official story: experimental Earth observation, the classified reality, Soviet missile tracking. Then investigators found the procurement records. Theory 1: joint US-UK surveillance operation. Pentagon archives confirm the satellite operated in sun-synchronous polar orbit at 650 kilometers altitude, the exact band used by Defense Support Program early warning satellites. Theory 2: independent British intelligence asset. Parliamentary budget documents from 1973 show £4.2 million allocated to orbital reconnaissance technology under Ministry of Defense black funding. Theory 3: NATO Shared Access Platform. Declassified NATO Strategic Review, 1975, references Allied thermal detection capability, operational from December 1974. Each theory fits the timeline. Each explains the infrared sensors. Each accounts for the security classification that lasted until 2013. But one document doesn't fit any of them. 007 First Light transmitted for exactly 6 months, ceasing all downlink activity on June 18, 1975. U.S. Space Command tracking data confirms the satellite remained in stable orbit for another 7 years, until atmospheric re-entry in 1982. Yet no further transmissions, no decommissioning order in released mod files, no technical failure logged. RAF Oakhanger's station logs for July 1975 onward are redacted in their entirety under Section 23 exemption. Information supplied by or relating to bodies dealing with security matters. The satellite kept orbiting. The sensors kept functioning. Someone ordered the receivers turned off. The reason remains classified. 49 years later, the Ministry of Defense released partial documentation in 2013. The 2013 disclosure confirmed 007 First Light as Britain's first reconnaissance satellite, operational during the Cold War's most volatile period, the 1975 Helsinki Accords, and Soviet military modernization. Britain's first spy satellite watched the Soviet Union for exactly 6 months before someone pulled the plug. The launch was secret, the mission was classified, and the reason it went dark in June 1975 is still redacted. Subscribe to @BrainyWhizBros for the next cold case from the archives they tried to bury. Subscribe @BrainyWhizBros for classified cases.